हेलो आदाब, हाउ टू मशीन में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम 800D कैनन कैमरे के बारे में जानेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर कैमरा आप ऑर्डर करना चाह रहे हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, वो लिंक से आप कैमरा ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं।
Model called EOS 800D, which comes with 24.2 megapixel and 45 cross type focus points with a 6 frame per second shutter speed and Digic 7 processor, and it's having 25600 ISO in photo and 12600 ISO in video, which we can take better in low lighting also. It's coming with Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth connectivity and full HD EOS movie recording also. And this is a semi-professional model in Canon, which we can use easily and we can understand easily more. Most of the YouTube bloggers and YouTube channel bloggers also use this camera this is the best